Now, next is question number 14. This one is a very simple case of profit and loss. You can make two different equations, solve for the cost prices of each of the type of book, calculate the total cost price, and then add or subtract whatever profit or loss. And this is how you will get the selling price, the sum of the selling prices of both the type of books. All right. So let's make these two equations. So Prasad sold two types of books at different prices, 15 of each type. Now, since in this question, the entire like 15 of each type. So one type of book we have 15 copies, second type of book we have 15 copies, and we are selling all these books at a time. So you can consider these 15 types of books as a single entity. Okay, so I'm just writing type 1 and type 2. So type 1, let's say the cost price of all these books is X, and type 2, the cost price of all these books as Y. Now he sold the first type at a loss of 33.33%, so loss of one third. So minus x upon 3. So x upon 3 is the loss. Why I've put negative sign? Because it's a loss. The second type at a profit of 25%. So plus y upon 4. The net profit is 125 rupees. Okay. Now simplifying this equation, doing cross multiplication, you will have minus 4x plus 3y is equal to 125 into 12, that is 1500, right? So this is the first equation. Now let's make the second equation. Now had he sold the first type at a profit of 25%, so that means x upon 4, and the second type at a loss of 20% minus y divided by 5, he would have made an overall loss of 150 rupees. So overall, I have minus 150. So again, doing cross multiplication, the equation will be 5x minus 4y is equal to minus 3000. So you have two equations. Let's solve them and get the values of x and y. Okay. So to solve them, I'll multiply the first equation by 5 and second equation by 4 and we'll add them. So I'll get 15y minus 16y, that is minus y is equal to 7500 minus 12,000, that is minus 4500. So the value of y comes out to be 4500. Okay. I'll pick this value of y, can substitute in any of the equations to get the value of x. So the value of x will be 18,000 minus 3,000, that is 15,000 upon 5, 3,000. So this is the value of x. So x and y are 3,000 and 4,500 respectively. So the total cost price of both the types of books will be 3,000 plus 4,500. That is 7,500, right? Now, what do we have to find out? We have to find out the sum of the selling prices of all the books of each type when there was an overall loss. Now, overall loss was in the second case, and the loss was of rupees 150. So if the cost price is 7,500, then the sum of the selling prices, the sum of the cost price is 7,500. So sum of the selling prices will be cost price minus the loss, and that should be 7,350. 7,350 should be the final answer, right? So this question was pretty straightforward, not at all any complexity, must have been attempted.